1976 Porsche 911 S Coupe. Price: $3,298. Location: California, USA. The 1976 Porsche 911 S Coupe is more than just a classic sports car, it's a rolling piece of automotive history. More than 4 decades after leaving the factory, this legendary machine still captures attention everywhere it goes. With its matching numbers pedigree, special order metallic blue finish, and iconic silhouette, this Porsche represents everything enthusiasts love about the golden era of air-cooled performance. The moment you see this car, you know it's something special. The rare metallic blue paint beautifully contrasts with the elegant black interior, creating a timeless combination that never goes out of style. Chrome headlight rings, Fuchs-style wheels, rear rubber bumpers, and the factory sunroof complete the unmistakable look that has made the Porsche 911 one of the most recognizable sports cars ever built. Whether it's parked at a car show or cruising down a scenic highway, this coupe commands attention from every angle. The heart of this classic is its legendary 2.7-liter air-cooled flat-six engine, paired with the highly desirable 915 5-speed manual transmission. Every press of the accelerator delivers that unmistakable Porsche soundtrack, a mechanical symphony that modern sports cars simply can't replicate. The responsive steering, balanced handling, and re-engine character create an engaging driving experience that reminds you why the 911 has remained an automotive icon for generations. The interior perfectly blends vintage style with practical comfort. Inside you'll find classic VDO instrumentation, power windows, dual side mirrors, air conditioning for warm summer drives, and a Kenwood radio for enjoying your favorite music on the open road. Every control is positioned with the driver in mind, proving that Porsche's philosophy has always been about creating the ultimate connection between driver and machine. One of the biggest reasons collectors search for cars like this is documentation. This Porsche comes with service records dating from May 1995 all the way through March 2024, showing decades of consistent maintenance and careful ownership. Extensive documentation like this adds tremendous confidence for buyers and significantly increases the desirability of an already collectible classic sports car. The matching number status makes this Porsche even more valuable in today's collector market. Originality matters, and enthusiasts know that finding an authentic example with its correct engine and proper history becomes more difficult every year. As air-cooled Porsche values continue to attract collectors worldwide, cars like this remain among the most sought-after investments in the classic car community. Driving a classic Porsche isn't simply about speed, it's about emotion.